Solve this system by elimination. Scale the x terms to 4x and negative 4x, so they cancel when we add. Multiply every term in the second equation by negative 4. Multiply the x term by the same factor. Now multiply the y term by that factor. Finally, multiply the right side too. Add the aligned equations. The opposite x terms cancel. The x terms cancel. The y terms combine to 11y, and the right sides combine to negative 33. Divide both sides by 11. That leaves y equals negative 3. Use y equals negative 3 in the first original equation. Replace y with negative 3. The remaining x term equals 24. Divide both sides by 4. X equals 6. The solution is x equals 6 and y equals negative 3. It makes both original equations true.